Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect iPhone to your LG TV. To do that, first of all connect your TV to the Wi-Fi. If it's not connected, press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu. Then at the top bar of the quick settings menu select the Wi-Fi icon. After that, navigate to Wi-Fi connection and select it. Then select the Wi-Fi network from this list and connect to it. After that, we're gonna have to connect our iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network and make sure that the AirPlay is enabled on your TV. So on your TV, navigate to Home Hub option right here. Then so in the mobile section right here, select AirPlay. Then navigate to AirPlay and HomeKit settings and make sure that the AirPlay is turned on. And after that, we're gonna have to connect our TV and our iPhone. To do that, unlock your iPhone, then swipe down the control center, and then you're gonna have to find the AirPlay icon right here that looks like two rectangles on top of each other. If you don't have it here, just hold your finger down on the control center, then select Edit Control, and then select the screen mirroring icon. And once you added it to your home screen, tap on it. If your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you'll be able to easily see your TV on the list. Select your TV and then provide the code that you see on your TV screen on your iPhone. Press OK, and after that the screen of your iPhone will be mirrored. And to stop screen mirroring, just swipe down the control center once again, tap the screen mirroring. Tap on the screen mirroring application and select Stop Mirroring. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.